So this week I'll be showing you how to knit 2x2 ribbing. It's done by alternating knit and purl stitches on the same row. So you would do 2 knits, then 2 purls, 2 knits, 2 purls, and so on. You need to cast on an even number of stitches for this, and the way I find easiest is to cast on in multiples of 4. This way you can start every single row with 2 knit stitches. If you cast on in an even number but not multiples of 4, such as 10, 14 or 18, you would need to alternate the start of each row with knit and purl stitches. But the basic rule is that you knit onto knit stitches and purl onto purl stitches, which you'll be able to see in your knitting anyway. My cast on was 16 stitches, so a multiple of 4, so I've knitted the first 2 on every row so far. It's very bulky and stretchy, and this is a stitch very commonly used at the bottom of hats. And you have to remember when you're doing a rib stitch, because you're alternating between knit and purl stitches, once you've knitted you need to bring your yarn, attach your yarn ball to the front of your needles and do your purl stitches, and then remember to move it back again when you do your knit stitches. So this is what it looks like, and that's how you do a 2x2 rib stitch.